Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning how to say, what is this? And how much does it cost? Are you ready, kids? To ask what is this in Sepedi, we say ke eng se. But when we say ke eng se, we're actually saying it is what this. So here the ke means it is. It is what this. What is this? Now let's see how Abuti uses these phrases.
Dumela ke eng se. Ke bokae?
Stop for a second. Let me explain. To ask how much does it cost in Sepedi, we say ke bokae. The ke means it is. So here we're actually saying it is. How much?
Dumela ke eng se. Ke bokae? Dumela ke eng se. Ke bokae? Dumela ke eng se. Ke bokae?
And now you know how to say what is this and how much does it cost in Sepedi.
Shala gabotse.
Goodbye, Abuti.